In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase views on your Behance portfolio. Whether you're a designer, illustrator, or any creative professional looking to showcase your work, your Behance portfolio can be an essential tool for getting your art seen by a larger audience. Let's dive into some strategies to enhance your portfolio's visibility and draw those views. First, you'll want to optimize your profile. This means having a complete and professional profile page. Make sure to fill out all sections, including adding a professional photo and creating a compelling bio that accurately represents your creative journey and work ethos. Don't forget to include links to your personal website or social media pages, as these provide additional avenues for visitors to engage with your work beyond Behance. It's also crucial to curate your best work carefully. Think of your portfolio as your digital storefront, so focus on quality over quantity. Select projects that not only highlight your skills, but also reflect your unique creative voice, leaving a lasting impression on visitors. Engaging with the community on Behance can significantly boost your visibility. By interacting with other creators, you can foster a network of mutual appreciation and engagement. Take time to like, and more importantly, leave thoughtful comments on other designers' projects. This not only encourages similar interactions on your own work, but also places you within the wider Behance community. Following creators whose work you admire can also be beneficial, often prompting them or their followers to check out your profile. Another crucial tactic for increasing portfolio views involves using tags and keywords. Relevant tags make your projects more discoverable on the platform, allowing them to appear in related searches or galleries. When selecting tags, think about the kind of terms a potential viewer might use to find projects like yours and incorporate those thoughtfully. Promotion shouldn't stop on Behance. Sharing your work externally can widen your audience significantly. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to showcase your Behance projects. Tailor your posts to each platform's audience and consider using relevant hashtags to further increase discoverability. Collaborating with other creatives or joining design challenges can also help, introducing your work to new audiences and providing opportunities for learning and creative growth. Finally, if you're a Behance Pro member, make full use of the Pro features such as Project Boost. This feature allows you to enhance your project's visibility through targeted promotion, reaching specific audiences that can appreciate and engage with your work. Plus, it's a way to track how your project is performing, giving you valuable insights into what works best. That wraps up our strategies for today. Implementing these tips consistently can help you build a strong presence on Behance and ensure your work gets the attention it deserves. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.